Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a waitlist landing page on Wix. First of all, go to wix.com and log into your account. If you are new to Wix, just sign up. It's free and easy. Once you are logged in, click on Create New Site. For this waitlist page, um, choose landing page as your site type. Wix offers a variety of templates, but you can also start with a blank page. For this tutorial, I will choose a simple landing page template that we will customize for a waitlist. Pick one that matches your brand or style. Then click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Let's start by customizing the header. Click on the logo to upload your own and add your business name here. Then edit the header text with something that announces your upcoming launch, um, something like be the first to know or get early access works well. Next, let's make the headline stand out. Click on the main heading and enter a clear message about what's coming soon. This could be the name of your product or a brief description. Add a subheading blue to tell your visitors why they should join the waitlist, highlighting any exclusive benefits or early access. Since this a waitlist landing page, we want it to simple and focused. So go ahead and delete any extra sections that aren't necessary for these purposes, like galleries or testimonials. Keep it clean so visitors stay focused on signing up. Adding the waitlist sign up form. To add a sign up form, click on Add in the left menu, then go to Contract and Forms and select a basic sign-up forms. This from this form will let visitors enter their email to join the waitlist. Once the form is added, customize it. Click on the form and go to form settings. You can remove unnecessary fields if you just want an email address and edit the button text to say something inviting like join the waitlist or notify me. In the forum settings, you can also specify where the submissions will be sent. If you want to contract this to an email marketing tool like MailChimp, you can integrate it here or set it to send responses to your email. Wix also lets you manage from submissions directly from the dashboard. Now, let's make it look on brand. Click on any text or section and go to the design settings. Here you can choose your color scheme, fonts, and even add background images. If you want a bit more style, try to keep it visually appealing but simple. Before publishing, let's make sure people can find the page. Click on settings, go to SEO. Enter a clear title and description for your page, like your product waitlist to join early access today. Uh, Also, click on the mobile view to make sure everything looks great on mobile, as many visitors will access the page on their phones. Finally, once everything is look good, it's time to make the page live. Click on publish in the top right corner, which will generate a URL for your leading page, which you can now share with your audience. Now that your waitlist page is live, you can promote it, share the link on social media, add it to your email signature, or link to it from other parts of your website. The more visibility, the better. And that's it. You have created a waitlist landing page on Wix. Now you are ready to start building interest and collecting emails for your upcoming launch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next video.